Tēnei te taniwha no Ngāti Kahungunu me Ngāi Tahu e ara mai ana I te ao poitūkohu. Mai I Aotearoa ki te ao whānui.
Feels pretty cool to be selected for our World Cup team, you know, about to represent your country, just about to put on those colours and represent all the people that have sacrificed everything for you, to really go out there and put it on the main stage, the world stage, is truly a blessing.
Kua tūātea a Kahuranaki Treacher ki te Kapa Junior Tall Blacks mo te ipu whakataetae o te ao mo te poitūkohu I raro I te kauma I watau. Ko tā Treacher, ko tōna pāpa te ranga wairua me te take I uru atu ia I te ao poitūkohu.
I got into basketball through my dad, you know, Dad's been hooping since I was born, and I've just always been around it. You know, I stopped it for a few years to play rugby actually, but then it was too cold, so I came back to basketball. But yeah, just been around it my whole life.
Nā, mō ngā tau e toru, kua whakapiki ia I ana pūkenga ki te wāhi rongonui mo te poitūkohu kei Amerika.
So I was blessed with the opportunity to finish my last 2 years of high school at St. Albans in DC. I feel like throughout the last 3 years I've spent in America in high school and college, I've really learned how to use my body. My IQ has gone a lot better. I feel like I've learned how to execute on my physicality, about to use my strength to my advantage, and really just about to see the game completely differently compared to before I went to America.
Ka piri atu a Treacher ki ēnei kai tākaro a tama Isaac rawa ko Kara Hopoi ki te tīma o Junior Tall Blacks. Koia anake te kai tākaro no Ngāi Tahu kei roto I te tīma.
I have multiple connections to iwis, but in terms of my Ngāi Tahu side, I'm part of my marae, Uenuku, which is located in Moeraki, and I'd love to go back there one day just to learn more about my Ngāi Tahu side and get in touch with all of it. That's something I'm very excited to go and do one day.
E kore ana pūkenga e tau ki konei. Ko uru atu a Treacher ki te JA48 mō ngā tauira whare wānanga kei Amerika. He āhenga tēnei mā ngā māngai NBA ki te tiro atu ki ngā pūkenga. Koia hoki te Māori anake kei roto I tēnei wānanga.
It feels amazing. It's about to be like the only Māori going to J48 in the top 100 this year. It feels as though it gives me a platform to not only showcase my talents and to really get my exposure up in front of all these, like pretty much all the coaches in the country. But it also allows me to show my Māori tanga on the world stage too.
Ko te wā haratau mā Treacher I nāenei, heoi ka timata ake te ipu poitūkohu o te ao, hei te rua te kauma ono o hune kei Whitirana. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.